What's the difference between an appraisal and a home inspection? If you've ever purchased a car, you may have taken your car to a mechanic to look under the hood. This is so he can examine to see if there are any major issues that you're not aware of before you buy it. Or, if you've ever watched the Antique Roadshow, you've seen experts examine items and give the owners a quote on how much it's worth. Then they inspect the antique. They're looking at the condition. When they appraise it, they're determining the value. It's the same in the real estate world. Hi, my name is Angie Haig with Cornerstone Home Lending, and today we're going to dive into the difference between a home inspection and an appraisal. A home inspection is used to determine the condition of the home before you purchase it. They're going to be looking for electrical issues, examining the foundation. Basically, they're looking to see if there are any problems that you should be aware of before you purchase it. An appraiser is used to determine the value of the home. An appraiser is going to use factors like location, how old is the home, its size, and compare it to other homes of the same likeness in the same area to determine the value of that home. Bottom line, is the home worth what we're loaning against it? Do you need to have both in an appraisal and an inspection? A lot of home buyers wonder if they need to have both appraisal and a home inspection. If you're applying for a mortgage, an appraisal is required to determine how much the home is worth. While an inspection isn't required, it's always a good idea to understand what condition your potential home is in before you buy it. I would love to answer any questions that you may have. Feel free to call me at 405-241-5327 or shoot me an email at haigteam@houseloan.com. Until next week, thanks for watching.